In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on comments on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up TikTok app and there hit on profile icon. Now tap on three lines icon and select settings and privacy, and there hit on privacy. Now here look for comments, and now you see that the option who can comment on your videos set to no one, so other people can't comment any of my posted videos and any of future videos. And to allow them to comment your videos, you may set that options to everyone. In that case, any person from all over the world will be able to leave a comment under your video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.